Hello.
Like this, then I will stand.
Thank you.
Um,
Did you guys basically put this concept here?
exactly.
Or it feels like that. If you're talking about a space to organize a workshop, what better place can it be than this? You want to have a look? Let's go in.
Another person shooting another camera, because like it will actually reduce your cost, plus you will get really good content. So you are using the content from your actual shoot. Okay? So when you and it is future proof. And when you're making I don't know whether you know about all this different formats, because like when you're making a final project, always have you know what is over here. I don't know what it is like when you're okay, if you see in the, I mean, a proper Netflix, BBC, or any international format, the documentaries or anything, you can see that like mostly, what right now like it should be from your eye level. So here, what you're doing, you're taking the camera, you're putting it on the gimbal, you're shooting like this. So your perspective is totally changed. See, many people don't understand this. So when you are like, that's what I'm like, you can have a small camera, there is nothing wrong in that, but you need to understand when to use what camera. There is no one camera which goes for everything kind of a thing. You don't get anything like that. But like these kind of a camera, what will happen is that this is, I cannot take photo with this. But I can make an Instagram video, because now I can mount this camera like this also. Vertical, I can do it like this. It will stand and all my menu system, everything will be vertical. Yeah, and this is now like, you know, you can, with the new update, like with the newer cameras, the Canon, there is a C50, which is a smaller one, which is more affordable for people to use it. Yeah. The advantage of that camera is that you have a 2 cards system. Mm-hmm. So if you shoot it in open gate, the horizontal video will be shot in your Type Express card.
Basically, we're planning to buy a camera.
And and automatically a vertical video is in your SD card. And you can see both the frames in your.
So this is C50.
C50.
The new one. So you record once and then you get a vertical output and also horizontal output.
Yeah, you don't need to do in the post crop. Because here while framing itself, you can see both the frames. That's and really it is separately recorded.
It's really good. It's really
Have you tried it?
Yeah. That is the reason I'm telling.
It works.
Could you get it?
It works.
It is like it is one of the best camera.
So which starts with 5,000? We're talking about zoom lenses or prime lenses?
The prime lenses and the this one will cost around 9 to 11. This will cost around. This will cost $8,000.
It has a dollars.
Yeah, this is the most expensive. You won't even see. You won't have any brand have a 1.3.
Where
Car, trunk. No.
See you at home.
Set this up as your.
If we can set a frame, maybe this somewhere here, we can have this background. So we can have somebody seated here. Yeah, look.
Yeah. Who wants?
I can shoot. But this is just you know what?
पर मुझे फिर ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है
So this is a simple camera. This is like a light. How you do it?
Is it the roller?
So the other small white camera, which they are using, you can try to. And this is a great light. You have like 30 minutes.
I don't like video also.
Yeah, exactly.
So I can shoot video as well. Anybody is interested, they can contact you. I'll ask for a student discount. Okay, and
So did you figure out? Are you shooting with LUT? Can we add the LUT? I mean, I'm a little jumping the gun.
I will, because many people, what I'm doing right now, because I'm
Did you delete my picture?
No. Wait, guys, wait.
See, what usually happen is that,
Yeah. Oh my God.
see, I put something called view assist. What it does is that it will give you the real color, because it temporarily, for your viewing purpose, it will give you the color. But actually your footage is recorded in flat log profile. Why it is necessary? Because like, if you're shooting it in complete in the flat, you won't be able to judge the.
You can like visualize it
Yeah.
better.
So here, what you're getting right now, like high class.
So Ram, can you just explain to the students, guys. So Ram,
Yeah.
so after you when you're doing the setup, for example, can you give a sense of like with this lens particularly, and you mentioned about a T-stop, right?
Yeah.
So what is the difference? Can you show it? Can you?
Yeah, so see the quality of the images, what you see it over there. And another advantage over here is, see,
Oh, there's an ND filter.
yeah, I have,
So that is.
you
Can
see?
you see like it can cut the light? This is inside the camera.
So,
The thing is like every particular wants to have more attention. It's like from the beginning to end. Did somebody just take your frame?
Someone just took our chair.
Yeah, it looks like.
yeah, if you work with Sony camera, working with
So these guys went and set up a frame. Somebody took your. You are leaving your camera there.
on the which side?
Take the frame.
On where the light is coming from.
Take the frame. No, take the frame.
And I'm asking him, where should you put the camera always? Which side? Not 5 degree or more degree. Be always on the shadow.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is now your highlight is here.
Yeah.
So like when your camera, you will be like, if she's sitting, who want to sit?
Yeah, somebody.
Yeah, we have.
Khalid, come.
I got the pineapple.
Can we get the grip?
Yeah.
خلاص ولا شو؟
That.
سبح طالعني لا خله وطالعني
You look into the monitor. Crap video also people will like. They can't. I know.
Have you seen the video?
Yeah. So it's not about the skill part. It is you need to see how beautiful you can make the frame. This is not for anyone else.
Yeah.
It will be better than this.
For you. So what happens is that see the K will matter to the layman. But when you show this work is done by me. And if you go to an agency or if you go to they will judge.
I have deliberately not taken people because they will be
Not your layman. If I put even a vulgar video, people will watch. Put a post and fall video, like people will watch. Like,
I have a patience. I mean,
it's a gray area. But now the sky, because it's already like the sky is like bigger, but the advantage here is that it's in the long.
yes.
So you will get those
Because I remember in the meeting,
You have to
we
manage.
don't shoot.
So what you do is like right now, like you cannot control that one. What you can put a mask over there and then you can recover it in the